Angalia hiyo kamera hii inaonekana, sio akasema ni kwa robot.
Mit Zwiebel? 4 Euro bitte. Ein Fleischkegel mit. So, bitteschön. Und weiter runter bitte in die Mitte. Der nächste bitte. Zigaretten rechts und links mit schwarzen Gästen, Senf, Ketchup, Mayonnaise, steht daneben. Bitteschön. Die Dame, bitteschön. Junger Mann, das kriegen Sie. Einmal, zweimal? Jawohl, 4 Euro bitte. Ja. Wir bauen noch nicht ab, gell? Dankeschön. Bitteschön. Der nächste bitte, junger Mann, was bist du? Mit Zwiebeln? 4, 5 Zwiebeln, der nächste dazu.
Okay, this is what the food looks like that we bought ready-made in the market from the Spanish lady. And already I've forgotten its name. And it's all seafood, and there's a little bit of, it's pasta with only a little bit of rice, I believe she said, but it's mostly a pasta and seafood dish. And I'm just warming it, and I've chilled the aioli sauce. It's in the refrigerator. And this is just courgettes and Roma tomato. Nice easy lunch. We're going to have toro for dinner. That's a bull, not oxen. It's a regional specialty. The neighbors are outside chatting. You do get a lot of tourists going by and photographing your door and stuff like that, but you know, you can close the shutters and put the glass thing on the front of the door. And there's curtains you can pull if you don't want people bothering you. See, I can close this, and I can pull the curtain.
Hello, how are you? Merhaba, teşekkür ederim. I bring my wife and she like the rice. I want to take some rice. Afiyet olsun. Teşekkür ederim. Bana bol bir pilav verir misin? सरदार साहब पीछे हट गए बस 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 अब ये क्या ये डबल शिफ्ट आ रही है मेरी जोन आपको बता
From An Organic Farm in Madang. Yeah, love you tofu, man. Come and try.
Serving Chicagoland since 1950, Leona's Restaurant is the all-in-one Italian and American restaurant in Chicago, Illinois that delivers and caters to all tastes. With our widespread menu of pasta, sliders, wings, steaks, salads, and other hearty Italian fare, no appetites will leave unfulfilled or party guests hungry. Leona's is perfect for lunch, a darn good burger, a delightful brunch, or a world-class pizza. Call 773-327-8861 and let us help you cater your next party. It's not just delivery, but rather your restaurant on wheels.
What was that one I just had?
You had a feta cheese stuff, I guess.
Yeah.
But this is that one. You try.
It's amazing.
This one is lemon and herb.
What is that?
Yeah.
Lovely. Yummy, yummy.